Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox upgrade issues. First, always begin by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for any update. Next, try restarting the Roblox application itself and then your entire computer or device. Many minor glitches resolve with a simple reboot. Finally, quickly confirm your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements to ensure compatibility. These initial steps often resolve common upgrade problems quickly and efficiently. If basic fixes don't work, the next step is to clear your Roblox cache. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, preventing proper updates. After clearing the cache, completely uninstall Roblox from your system. This ensures all old, potentially problematic files are removed. Then, visit the official Roblox website to download and reinstall the latest version. This fresh installation often resolves persistent upgrade errors, giving you a clean start. Sometimes, network or security settings can block Roblox upgrades. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if it's interfering. Remember to re-enable it afterward for safety. Also, double-check that Roblox is explicitly allowed through your network's firewall settings. If the problem persists, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or using a VPN. This helps determine if your current network is causing the upgrade blockage. For more stubborn issues, ensure your device's operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause unexpected problems. It's also wise to run a full system scan for any malware or viruses that might be silently interfering with Roblox. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem, including any error codes, and contact Roblox support directly. They have specialized tools to help diagnose and resolve complex upgrade issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.